Yeah, this is cool.
This is cool.
First time.
First time on the Ashokan Rail Trail. Are you excited?
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna fall off.
Listen, I don't know how you feel, but I know how you look.
You don't look any different.
I know. Once I put this helmet on, it's horrible. We are leaving the restroom sanctuary.
Put your feet on.
If you gotta go, you gotta go. Would you go?
Yeah, we all went to the
Okay.
bathroom.
All right. Okay. We're ready to leave. Let's catch up to the other people. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? All right, we're here at the Ashokan Rail Trail. We're gonna catch up to the other guys. They're just ahead of us. They were nice enough to wait. Nice enough to wait. Let's go see what they're looking at. Beautiful spot. All right, let's go.
I like my viewers look better hiding out there.
And look at that, man. That All right, we're at this awesome spot right here on the Ashokan Rail Trail. Got no choice but to stop. Look at this place.
Hello.
Hi.
Want to see my eyes?
All right, we made it to the end. Well, it keeps going, but this is as far as we're going. I think there's supposed to be a waterfall or the dam part of it.
Is there?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. I think it's that way. Getting back to the cars. I gotta tell you, this was a great trip this time. A little excitement too. Yeah, this was a nice trip. Great weather. I know it looks cloudy and everything like that, but I gotta tell you, it was great. Especially when the sun started coming out. This is a nice spot on the trail right here, this little hill.
I see a honey bear.
Did you have fun today? Did you have fun? Did you like it?
I did.
Yeah.
Nice picture of them two walking together.
Yeah, I'm trying to make a nice picture here
Yes.
before I crash.
Well, I didn't pull down the ravine today, Joe.
Me too.
I didn't pull up my bike, but I shouldn't speak too soon.
Yeah, you still got another half a
I
mile.
still gotta get there. We're definitely
We'll see you there.
okay.
I thought by the time we came back, this would go somewhere, but they were building that when we came here. So let's see. I think there's a date on the bridge. We were here 2 years ago. Oh yeah, 2 years ago. And that bridge says 2023. I wasn't lying, Brian. How was it?
That's great.
Did you really had fun? Another one down.
Yep.
Another one down. We did it.
This one was like, I don't even feel like, oh, we already did this trail. I feel like it was totally different.
Yeah,
this
me
time.
too. Me too.
Right?
It was perfect this time.